From time to time, all treadmills will require basic belt adjustments. Instructions for your specific machine can be found in your user's manual. Most treadmills will have belt adjustment bolts behind the user, in the rear of the treadmill. The following video will demonstrate the procedure for walking belt adjustments on these types of treadmills. If the belt is off-center or is rubbing against the deck rail, then a tracking adjustment will need to be made to center the walking belt. To make adjustments to the belt, you will need a hex wrench tool, sized for the belt adjustment bolts, on your specific treadmill. Most treadmills will use a 7/32 inch or a 3/16 inch size hex wrench. A suitable wrench was included by the manufacturer with your equipment. Before making any adjustments, make sure the belt is stopped and the unit is unplugged from the wall. To adjust the belt from side to side, turn the adjustment bolt on the left side of the treadmill in the direction you would like the belt to move. For example, if the belt of the treadmill is off-center to the left, you will make an adjustment to the bolt on the left side of the treadmill by turning it clockwise by half a turn with the hex wrench. Start by turning the bolt in half-turn increments to avoid large swings in the adjustments. Turn the bolt in quarter-turn increments for finer adjustments. After making the adjustment, plug the treadmill back in and run the belt. The belt will gradually move to its new position. The faster the belt runs, the faster it will move to its new position. If the belt is still off-center, make additional adjustments by stopping the belt and unplugging the treadmill. Then make additional adjustments in this way until the belt is centered. If the belt is off-center to the right, then you make adjustments in the same way, except you will turn the adjustment bolt on the left side of the treadmill counterclockwise, and the belt will then shift to the left when the belt is run. The belt does not need to be perfectly centered to run well, but should not be rubbing on the deck rails. If the walking belt slips, which is characterized by the belt pausing, hesitating, or jerking when being walked or run on, then adjustments to tighten the belt should be made. To tighten the belt, you will use the same size hex wrench that was used to adjust the belt tracking. First, stop the belt and unplug the treadmill. When tightening the belt, you will turn both the left and right side adjustment bolts the same number of turns in the clockwise direction. Be sure to turn both bolts the same number of turns to avoid the belt from being sent off-center. Start by turning the bolts in half-turn increments. Then, turn the bolt in quarter-turn increments for fine adjustments. This will put more tension on the belt and eliminate the slipping. After making an adjustment, plug the machine back in and carefully walk or run on the belt. If the slipping still occurs, continue to make adjustments in this way until the slipping is eliminated. If the slipping does not improve after making several adjustments, there may be other issues with the drive belt or drive roller of the treadmill. See our video for conducting a white line test on the roller or seek additional support.